Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Mayhaw Music Troupe exists to promote traditional Hakka music, dances, and operas. It's led by Dai Cho-rung, who works to catalog and preserve nearly extinct Hakka music. Developed against the background of harsh mountain conditions, Hakka music encompasses history, society, and culture. The Mayhaw Music Troupe tours Taiwan, passing on the wisdom contained in traditional Hakka songs.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。其实主持这个客家风情啊，虽然我不是客家人，但是我真的觉得好有荣誉感，因为真的让客家的文化有时候会碰到一些客家的第二代、第三代哈，他们说终于可以把这些客家文化一直传下去。
对。
So thank you so much, Leo, and also Alice and the Hakka Affairs for really providing this opportunity for the Hakka culture to be preserved. So maybe today, I was wondering if Leo can introduce to us some figures here in Taiwan that might be doing the same thing.
有，其实我觉得在传承客家文化是一个很重要的一个事情。
是。
所以呢，其实，在那个屏东县的内埔乡屏东县跟女埔乡、那边有一个叫做新姑乡乐舞团。
新姑乡乐舞团，乐舞团是舞蹈团吗？
就是有音乐也有舞蹈。
Oh, okay. So this is a musical troupe and also a dance troupe. It's a performing arts troupe that is found in Pingdong County and it's called 新故乡 OK, 新故乡应该是新什么？
就是新故乡。
新故乡。OK. 它有什么特色？
其实它有个灵魂人物就是戴秋荣女士，戴秋永司。
Oh, okay. So there's a figure that is part of this troupe and her name is 戴秋荣。
戴秋永。
戴秋永。So she probably founded the group. 她应该是这个创办人吧？
是没错，
对不对？
她当年呢，就是对这个传统音乐，
传统音乐，音乐就是音乐嘛，
对，
传统就传统嘛，
对，传统的音乐
，traditional music，
还有就是舞头，
斧头吗？
不是斧头，就被你一讲就不美了。
对，
舞蹈，
舞蹈啦，斧头 ，OK，that's dance。还有呢？
还有就是 hikyo。
啊，这应该是戏剧了。
戏曲差一个字。
戏曲，因为很多这个戏是用唱出来的，对不对 ？Okay, so more like musicals, if you will. Those are three main performing arts that she is mastered in. Okay, 那这些她就是想要，
她要把这些传承下去，对，所以成立了这个乐舞团。
I see. OK, 就不要让它失传了嘛。
对，
就跟我们一样的道理，要教大家多一点客家文化，
是
一样的宗旨。All right, and that is for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.